right, scholars, we're going to do our math do now. All right. We're adding these numbers. 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. All right. Numbers to 1,000 review. 3 hundreds and 2 ones. So I know I have my 3 in my 100 spot, my 2 in my ones, but I need something to hold that 10 spot. So I need to put my 0. And then 5 tens and 6 ones. So I'm going to have 5 in the 10 spot and 6 in the 1 spot. And I don't need to put a 0 here because I don't need a placeholder because it's in the beginning. So I don't need anything there. It's just 56. 4 hundreds, 1 10, and 8 ones. 4 hundreds and how many tens for 830? So I have my 8 here, so I know that's not it. And then I'm looking at my tens, which is this spot right here. Do I need to put 30 tens or 3 tens? I need to put 3 because that 0 is the 1 spot. So we don't need to have any 0 added there. 200, 7 tens, and how many ones? We have our 200, our 7 tens, and our 5 ones. True or false? Okay, you guys know how I like to do these. I'm going to just write the sum or product on the top. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and 2 times 4 is also 8, so that is true. 3 times 6 is 18, and 6 plus 6 is 12. So I know that's not true. Those are not the same number. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 2, 4, 6. And 6 does not equal 222. That is a tricky one right there because they think that we would put these just all together like 202, but we know better than that. 5 times 9 equals 9 times 5. So maybe you want to solve this. Maybe you know that 5 times 9 is 45, and 9 times 5 is 45. So maybe you want to do that. Or you could look at these and just think those are fact families. So I know that they're equal. They're just switching the numbers around to try to confuse us, but they're fact families, so we don't need to be confused. So that's also true. All right, number 4, Kinley likes to collect books. She has 153 books at her house. Kinley has 38 more books than Avery. How many books does Avery have? So this one is one of those tricky ones. Yes, it says more, but if we added that, if we added these numbers, that would give us over the amount that Kinley has. And we know that Avery has less than her, so we're going to subtract. 3 minus 8, I can't do it, so I need to go next door. Get 10 more, that 5 turns to a 4. That turns to 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus nothing is 1. So Avery has 115 books. All right, have a good rest of your day.